In a world where technology giants seem invincible, Apple, one of the world's most influential tech companies, finds itself at the mercy of a patent dispute. The tech titan is caught in a tangle with Masimo, a health technology company. The bone of contention? A blood oxygen tracker in the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, which the International Trade Commission has ruled, infringes upon Masimo's patents. This ruling has triggered a domino effect, resulting in an import ban on certain Apple Watch models. This has left Apple in a quandary, with the company required to remove these watches from its stores by Christmas Eve. The financial stakes are high, too. The patent dispute could potentially cost Apple between $300 to $400 million in sales, a significant dent in their revenue. Moreover, this ruling has a direct impact on consumers, especially those who had their hearts set on these particular Apple Watch models this holiday season. As the clock ticks towards Christmas Eve, Apple stores will be clearing their shelves of the disputed Apple Watch models. At the heart of this dispute is one man, Joe Kiani, the CEO of Masimo, a health technology company. But who is Joe Kiani, and why is he taking on the tech titan, Apple? Joe Kiani is no stranger to the world of healthcare technology. He has led Masimo's efforts to enhance pulse oximeters and patient monitoring devices, pushing the boundaries of innovation in the medical field. Moreover, his commitment to healthcare extends beyond his company's walls. He's a stalwart advocate, evidenced by his founding of the Masimo Foundation and the Patient Safety Movement Foundation, which seek to improve patient safety and health outcomes globally. But Kiani's journey is not just about creating and advocating, it's also about protecting. He has a history of fiercely defending his company's intellectual property rights, a trait that has led him down the path of patent infringement lawsuits more than once. Earlier, he sued Nellcor and Philips, accusing them of patent infringement. The settlements he secured were substantial, totaling nearly $800 million and $300 million, respectively. These cases underscore Kiani's tenacity and his readiness to challenge anyone he believes has infringed on his company's patents. The current feud with Apple is yet another example of Kiani's determination to safeguard Masimo's innovations. The crux of the dispute: Kiani has accused Apple of poaching Masimo's engineers. The alleged act, according to Kiani, is not only unethical but also warrants an apology from Apple. It's a bold demand, but it's not surprising coming from a man who has never hesitated to stand up against industry giants. Kiani's pursuit of justice, or perhaps vengeance, has seen him confront giants before. Now, he stands against Apple, demanding not just financial compensation, but an apology. As we stand on the precipice of this landmark ruling, the future implications for Apple, Masimo, and the wider tech industry remain uncertain. The immediate impact for Apple could be substantial. With the removal of the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 from their stores, it's estimated that their sales could take a hit between $300 to $400 million. That's no small change even for a tech giant like Apple. But this isn't just about the financial losses, it's about reputation. Apple, known for its innovation and quality, now faces a significant setback. And while Apple may be licking its wounds, Masimo stands to gain. As the victor in this legal battle, they've not only asserted their rights but also positioned themselves as a force to be reckoned with in the health tech industry. And there's another layer to this story: the ongoing intellectual property fight between Apple and Masimo. This isn't their first dance in the courtroom, and it's unlikely to be their last. Allegations of employee poaching and trade secret theft have added fuel to the fire, painting a picture of a fierce rivalry that could have far-reaching consequences. But Apple's legal troubles don't end with Masimo. They're also facing another potential import ban related to patent infringement claims by AliveCor. This paints a worrying picture for Apple, and sets a precedent that could have other tech companies on edge. These disputes serve as a reminder that in the fast-paced world of tech, innovation and intellectual property rights walk a fine line. As companies race to bring the next big thing to market, they must also ensure they're not stepping on the toes of their competitors. As the dust settles on this dispute, the tech industry watches and waits. For now, the message is clear. No company, no matter how large, is above the law.